Your pain is for somebody else's gain. Your pain is for somebody else's gain. Olo tinga e faile ma le gain o le si tangata. God is sovereign. E pule le atua ya te tato be a o mai leoti. And he has purpose we may never understand. Ya I taimi tato te le malamalambai I me faile le atua. But we can cling to the truth that Jesus has prayed for his Father to bring his people home.
Heaven sounding sweeter all the time. Seems like lately it's always on my mind. Someday I'm gonna leave this world behind. Heaven sounding sweeter all the time. Oh, life has been so good, I can't complain. But when I ask God to give me strength to rise again, and when I'm weary from the struggles of it all, and how I listen, oh how I listen for his call. Heaven sounding sweeter all the time. Seems like lately it's always on my mind.
dreamed I went to heaven, and you were there with me. We walked upon the streets of gold, beside the crystal sea. We heard the angels singing, and someone called your name. We turned and saw this young man, and he was smiling as he came. And he said, "Friend, you may not know me now." And then he said, "But wait, you used to teach my Sunday school when I was only 8. And every week you would say a prayer before the class would start. And one day when you said that prayer, I asked Jesus in my heart. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am a life that was changed. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am so glad you gave. Then another man stood before you and said, "Remember the time a missionary came to your church, and his pictures made you cry. You didn't have much money, but you gave it anyway. Jesus took the gift you gave, and that's why I'm here today." Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am a life that was changed. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am so glad you gave. One by one they came, far as the eye could see. Each life somehow touched by your generosity. Little things that you had done, sacrifices made, I noticed on the earth, in heaven now proclaim. And I know up in heaven you're not supposed to cry, but I am almost sure there were tears in your eyes as Jesus took your hand and you stood before the Lord. He said, "My child, look around you, for great is your reward." Thank you for giving to the Lord. For I am a life that was changed.